Okay, so in this video we learn about the nested loops in the Python. So nested loop is a loop that is inside another loop. Make sense? No? Let's see. For we'll be using, let me just note it down for your reference. Nested loop. So nested loop. So it is a nested loop. So for x in range of, let's say, 5, for y in range, let's say 5, then what we'll have, print f will print the x comma y, and we'll see. So yeah, we see 5 into 5, 25. So this will be 25 numbers, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count that, there should be 25 combinations where 0, 0, 0 first will go for the 0, and then we'll go 0, 5 till 4, and then internal loop. So every loop will be gone inside this. So this is a nested loop, and this is how we can achieve the nested operations which we want to do in the looping. So that's all for this video. See you in another video.